Howdy, howdy. So I recently in a video I was talking about getting a house, and the boys they're working on it. They're getting it done. There's the jacks they used to lift up. They said they were gonna have to poke any holes inside. They don't need to. Hey, y'all want to see something cool? I found this in a car. I had to put a new piece of glass in it, but. Alright, so Miss Texas. Yeah, I'll show this in another video, but whoever won this went on to Miss USA. Back in the day when pageants were like really like popular, and like people were like, "What are you doing this weekend? Oh, the pageant is on." Got a full crew over here, that's for sure. I thought they were going to be busting holes in the inside of the house, but you can see the gaps that come through here. The house it's broken. 1972, you can expect this all over North Texas. All over. Here's the backyard. Here's the big tree. We'll put a tire swing right down here for the little kids. Yeah, little kayak action. But I don't know if y'all can see see the gap that goes right in there. It's very common in North Texas for foundations to be broken. You should actually expect it. When you buy an old house, you should absolutely expect it. But they're doing it. They're getting it done. I really thought they were going to do some work on the inside, but he's telling me there's no need to bust anything on the inside. This kitchen, it's all going to be remodeled. This is all going to be brand new stuff. When's the last time y'all seen a Frigidaire Deluxe oven? It works. I don't want to hear it, folks. It works. I don't want to hear it. Rest in peace. My mom and my brother, stupid COVID got my brother, diabetes got my mama. Y'all go easy on them Dr. Peppers. I love you, Daryl. We're getting a house, homie. No two-guard garage. Nothing fancy, nothing. It's about to get loud, I can tell you that much. Now, there's the flooring. As soon as they get done, some stuff out there. Putting on the walls once everything's finished. I don't know if anybody, you can tell that it's a whole lot higher here than it is over there. So this will all be fixed up we got a home. Woo! A lot of work. Well, all right, folks, they're getting started on it. This is how you make a house a home. Y'all be careful, be kind. These boys are working. I'm gonna leave them alone. I got it.